Hello, hello, everyone, and welcome back to Emily English Daily, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Tom. Hello, Emily. It's so good to see you today.
It's good to see you too, Tom. How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. And you? How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. I'm happy to be here with you.
Me too. We have a fun topic today, right?
Yes, we do. It's a very important topic for our listeners.
Ah, yes. It's about the first words you say to someone.
Exactly. Today we are talking about how to start a conversation in English.
Wow, that is a great topic. Sometimes starting is the hard part.
It is, but we will make it easy and fun. But first, before we start,
Oh yes, a small reminder for our wonderful listeners.
please subscribe to our channel and click the like button. It really helps us.
Yes, it does. And if you have a friend who is learning English, please share this podcast with them.
Thank you all so much. Okay, Tom, are you ready?
I am ready. Let's start with the basics, the very first word.
Okay, the first word is often hello.
It's a classic, very friendly.
Yes, you can say hello to anyone, your friend, your teacher, a new person.
That's true. It's a safe and friendly word. What about hi?
Ah, hi is also very good. It's a little more informal, a little more relaxed.
So hello is for everyone, and hi is maybe more for friends.
Yes, or people you know, but hi is very common now. You can say hi in a shop or a cafe, and it's perfect.
Okay, so we have hello and hi. Simple.
Very simple. What about the time of day, Tom?
Oh, that's a good point. We can use the time of day to say hello.
Yes, for example, in the morning, what do we say?
We say good morning.
Exactly. Good morning. It's so nice and polite.
I like saying good morning. It feels like a happy start to the day.
Me too. So good morning is for, well, the morning.
Yes, from when you wake up until maybe 12 midday.
Perfect. So after 12, what's next?
After 12, we say good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yes, this is for the afternoon, from about 12 p.m. to 5 or 6 p.m.
Right. So if I go to a shop at 2 p.m., I can say good afternoon.
Yes, that's a wonderful way to start. It's very polite.
Okay, so we have good morning and good afternoon. What about later?
Later in the evening, we say,
Good evening.
you got it. Good evening. This is for when the sun goes down, maybe from 6 p.m. onwards.
So if I go to a restaurant for dinner, I say good evening.
Yes, exactly. It's a perfect start to a conversation in the evening.
What about good night? Can I say good night to start a conversation?
That is a very, very good question, Tom.
Is it a trick question?
A little. Good night is not for saying hello. We only say good night when we are leaving.
Ah, I see. So it means goodbye, but at night.
Yes, it's what you say before you go to bed. Good night, sleep well.
Okay, so to start a conversation at night, I say good evening. When I leave, I say good night.
Perfect. You're a star student, Tom.
Thank you, Emily. Okay, so we have our first words, hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What comes next?
The next step is to ask how the person is.
Ah, the famous question, how are you?
Yes, how are you? It's friendly and it shows you care.
It's a very common question, and the common answer is...
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Yes, that's the one we all learn in school. It's a very good answer. Very polite.
It is, but there are other answers too.
Oh, good. What are some other ways to answer, how are you?
Well, if you feel good, you can say, I'm good, thanks.
I'm good. I like that. It's short and positive.
Or if you feel very, very good, you can say, I'm great.
I'm great. I like that one even more. It has so much energy.
It does. Let's practice. Tom, how are you?
I'm great, Emily. Thank you for asking. And you?
I'm very well, thank you. See, it's a little conversation already.
Wow, yes, we said hello and asked how we are. We are having a conversation.
We are. What if you feel just okay? Not great, not bad, just okay.
Can I say I'm okay?
Yes, you can. I'm okay is a perfectly good answer.
Or maybe not bad. I hear people say that. Not bad, thanks.
Yes, not bad is very common. It means things are okay.
This is so useful, so I don't always have to say I'm fine, thank you.
No, you have options. I'm good, I'm great, I'm okay, not bad.
Fantastic.
So we have the greeting and we have how are you? What if we want to talk more?
The next step. We need a conversation starter.
A conversation starter. What is that?
It's a small topic to talk about, something easy and simple.
Oh, like what?
The number one most famous conversation starter in English is the weather.
The weather, of course. People always talk about the weather.
Yes, it's a safe topic. Everyone can see the weather.
That's true. So what can I say about the weather?
You can say something simple. For example, it's a beautiful day today.
Yes, it's a beautiful day. Or the weather is nice today.
Perfect. And the other person can just agree. They can say, yes, it is.
So the weather is nice today. Yes, it is. And now we are talking.
Yes. What if the weather is not nice? What if it's raining?
I can say it's raining.
You can, or you can say, oh, the weather is not so good today.
That's a good one. It's polite.
Let's talk about some weather words. If the sun is out, we say it is.
Sunny. It's a sunny day.
Yes. If there are clouds, we say it is.
Cloudy. It's a cloudy day.
Good. If there is rain, it's.
Raining or a rainy day.
Excellent. And if it's cold, we say it's cold today. Brr.
Yes. Or if it's very hot.
We can say it's hot today.
Exactly. So just looking outside the window gives you a topic to talk about.
That's a fantastic tip. Talk about the weather. It's easy.
It is. Another great conversation starter is to give a compliment.
A compliment. What's a compliment?
A compliment is when you say something nice about a person.
Oh, that's a lovely idea. What kind of nice thing can I say?
Something simple. For example, you can say, I like your shirt.
I like your shirt. Oh, that's very nice. How would a person reply?
They would probably smile and say, thank you, or, oh, thank you so much.
That's easy, and it makes the person feel good.
It does. You can give a compliment about many things. I like your shoes, or your bag is very nice.
I like your watch.
Your glasses are cool.
This is fun. It's a very positive way to start a conversation.
It is. Let's try. I will give you a compliment, Tom.
Okay, I'm ready.
Tom, I like your sweater. The color is very nice.
Oh, thank you, Emily. That's very kind of you.
You see, you feel happy, I feel happy, and we are talking.
Yes, a compliment is a powerful tool.
It is. Just remember to be sincere. Say it because you mean it.
Of course, that is very important. Okay, so we have the weather and compliments. Are there any other easy starters?
Yes, you can ask a simple question about their day.
Oh, like, how was your day?
Yes, that's a perfect question. How was your day? Or are you having a good day?
And what are some good answers?
You can say, it's going well, thank you. Or simply, it's good, thanks.
And it's polite to ask back, right?
Absolutely. You can say, it's good, how about you?
How about you is a great phrase. It's easier than saying, and how was your day again?
Yes, it is. It's short and friendly.
Okay, this is a lot of great information. Let's try to put it all together.
Good idea. Let's do a longer role play. Let's imagine we are waiting for a bus. We don't know each other.
Okay, at a bus stop. I can do that. Who starts?
You can start this time, Tom.
Okay. Hello.
Oh, hi.
The weather is really nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's so sunny. Much better than yesterday.
I agree. Yesterday was so cloudy. By the way, my name is Tom.
It's nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Emily.
Nice to meet you too, Emily. Are you having a good day?
Yes, it's a good day. Thank you. How about you?
My day is going very well, thanks. Oh, and Emily, I like your scarf. It's a beautiful color.
Oh, thank you so much, Tom. That's very kind.
You're welcome. Oh, look, I think this is our bus coming now.
Oh, yes. Well, it was very nice talking to you, Tom.
It was nice talking to you too, Emily. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Wow, Tom, that was a full conversation.
It was, and we used everything. We used a greeting, we talked about the weather, we introduced ourselves, we asked about the day, and I even used a compliment.
You did, and it all felt very natural and friendly. It wasn't difficult at all.
No, it wasn't. The secret is just to start with something small and simple.
That's the key. Don't be afraid. A simple hello is a great start, and people are usually very friendly. If you smile and say hi, they will often smile and say hi back.
A smile is so important. It shows you are friendly and open to talk.
Yes, a smile is a universal language.
It is. So let's review the steps for our listeners.
Good idea. Step 1 is the greeting, like hello, hi, or good morning.
Step 2 is the follow-up question, like, how are you?
Step 3, if you don't know the person, is to introduce yourself.
My name is, and what's your name?
And step 4 is to use a conversation starter.
Like talking about the weather or giving a compliment.
Wow, when you say it like that, it sounds so easy.
Because it is easy. You just need to practice a little and don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes.
Yes, exactly. The important thing is to try. Just say hello.
That one word can open a door to a new friend or a nice conversation.
It really can, and it helps you practice your English.
Every small conversation is good practice.
It is. Even a short 2-minute talk at the bus stop helps you improve.
Well, this was a fantastic lesson, Emily. I feel ready to go out and start 100 conversations.
That's great, Tom. I'm so glad.
I think our listeners will feel ready too.
I hope so. Learning to start a conversation is like getting a key to a new world.
It really is, and it all starts with one simple word.
Hello.
Hi.
It seems we've come to the end of our episode. Time goes so fast.
It does when you're having fun, and this was a lot of fun.
It was. So a big thank you to all of you for listening today.
Yes, thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with your friends.
And we have a question for you. Please leave a comment below. Tell us what is your favorite way to start a conversation in English.
Do you like to talk about the weather? Do you like to give a compliment? Let us know in the comments. We love reading what you write.
Yes, we do. Thank you again, everyone. Keep practicing.
And keep smiling. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.